Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. One of the disadvantages of a covered call option strategy is the opportunity cost of having the stock called away and foregoing any significant future gains in it. In my case, my Tesla stock wasn't called away, but I am stuck in my covered call trade as I have no more opportunity to roll up from a $280 strike price for a credit. Therefore, my capital is tied up to the trade and I can no longer extract cash flow from it. I started the covered call trade when Tesla is priced at 129 US dollars. But since it rises so fast, I kept on rolling up and up to December 2025 at a strike price of $280. Buying back the option costs $8,600. So I am just lucky that the stock selling profit and option premiums cover the price of buying back the option. I am still bullish on Tesla and I want to participate in its growth. I did not put the sale proceeds in YieldMax TSLY because it cannot capture more growth of the underlying, and I already have some TSLY shares. I have instead invested the original capital of $12,960 in Canada's Purpose Invest Tesla Yield Shares, or YTSL. This way, I can still have cash flow, which is currently 14% per annum, while taking part in Tesla's long-term growth. Let's take a look at the charts and compare Tesla, YTSL, and TSLY. It can be observed that YTSL closely mimics Tesla compared to YieldMax TSLY. This is because of the fund's strategy of owning the stock and only doing covered calls on 50% of the shares with 25% leverage. Meanwhile, the remaining proceeds of the stock sale were invested in Defiance QQQY, wherein the folks behind YieldMax handles the day-to-day management of the fund. I am just curious about QQQY due to the fund's claim of seeking a minimum daily income of 0.25%. We'll see how it goes. That's all for now. If you like this video, please subscribe and smash that like button. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose.